Hello and welcome to Tip Tuesday on NLF Live, and today I'm going to be talking to you about knock and notice requirements. So what that means is, like, what does a police officer have to do before they enter into your home? And this is besides there being some sort of like exigent or like emergent circumstance that allows them like warrantless entry into the home. Talking about a police officer entering your home, let's say to execute a search warrant or to make an arrest, right? Well, first they need to knock. That would be like knocking on the door or ringing the doorbell. That's full compliance. Substantial compliance would be like, okay, somebody's peeking through the window and they see the officer standing outside the door, and so that person knows that the officer's there. But essentially what the officer is ensuring is that it's been put, the party inside has been put on notice that they're about to try and make entry. They need to announce their authority. So like yelling out, police officers or police, or they could, let's say somebody again is looking out the window and sees, officers, patrol cars, police uniforms. They're able to recognize that this is a police officer standing outside, or, maybe somebody's like yelling inside the house, oh man, the cops are here. So there's some acknowledgement of the authority of the person that's knocking at the door, and they've announced it. And then the officer needs to announce their purpose, right? Which is like arrest warrant, search warrant. They're letting the people know that they are there with a legitimate lawful purpose. If they're not able to announce their purpose, maybe it's because somebody saw the cops and ran out the back door, or they attempted to like block or barricade the door and prevent the officers from entering. The next thing the cops would need to do is demand their admittance. So they're telling the people inside, open up, right? It's the police, let us in. And then before they enter, so now they've knocked, they've announced their authority, they've announced their purpose, they've demanded entry, they actually need to wait before entering. So they just don't like batter down the door right away. They wait to see whether or not the person is actually going to peacefully allow them in, or if, they're taking off out the back door. That's a different situation. So that is what the knock and notice requirement is. Hopefully those 5 steps basically give you a good overview of what the police are required to do before entering into your California home. Tune in tomorrow for NLF Live, and feel free to send us a message or give us a call if you have any criminal law related concerns. Thanks for checking in. Bye.